Hi, Prabhu here. Welcome to part 4. So in this tutorial you learn how to model this locker with perfect edge loop and mesh flow. So in this video you learn how to make corner holes and maintain mesh flows using Maya tools and techniques. Okay, before you start part 4, you need to learn part 3. The link in the description box. Please go over there, study part 3 and then come here. So before we start, you want to download the reference image for this project. So the link in the description. So please download that. So after you download, you got this. So in this tutorial, we model this locker. So in this video you learn how to maintain two edge loops. So and we need to maintain two corner holes and one main hole. So go to Maya and go to create panel, polygon primitives, disable the interactive creation. So disable the interactive creation. That means when I click on Polycube, it will automatically created in the center of grid. So please make sure keep the x-axis in this direction. That means you follow what I do. So go to poly plane inputs and give subdivision width to 2. So and subdivision height to 1. So see here, that means you got exactly one division in this direction, because my model is similar in this side. So it will different in top and bottom side. So you want to scale in Z like this. So you need to scale little bit thicker. So go to edge mode, select this edge, shift select this edge and press W in keyboard. So go to edit mesh and choose extrude, press W in keyboard and move in Z direction. So little bit. So scale in R, scale using R, scale in X direction. So that means you got that taper shape of the bottom. So go to vertex mode, select the middle vertex and move in Z axis. So press 5 in keyboard to see the shaded mode. Okay, go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop. So click here, so click over here, so then click over here, so and then click over here. So you need to change the direction. So go to object mode, go to edit mesh, choose interactive split tool. If you are using latest version, please choose multi-cut tool. So click and drag all the way up. So click and drag all the way to side. Right click to end the tool. So same thing you want to make here. Click and drag. Click and drag. Right click to stop the tool. So same thing on these both corner. So click and drag and click and drag. So same thing here, click and drag. So click and drag and right click. So you want to skip these edges. So select this edge, shift select this edge. So select this edge, shift select this edge, go to edit mesh and choose delete edge by vertex. So that means the mesh flow is going this way. So you want to do in bottom side also. Select this edge, shift select this edge. So select this edge, shift select this edge, go to edit mesh and choose delete edge by vertex. So that means when I double click on this edge, so edge will flow all the way to 360 degree. So now we want to make hole in this corner. So go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop tool. So you want to insert edge loop here. So go to object mode. So we want polypipe to create a corner holes. So click polypipe and move this object to this side. So go to shading and choose wireframe on shader. That means you see the shaded mode on this locker. So go to polypipe inputs and give subdivision axis to 8. So I want to reduce the thickness to 0.1. So I want to reduce the radius to 0.5 or 0.4. So that means you got exactly what we want. So select the bottom faces and press delete in keyboard. So go to object mode. So that means my pivot in center of grid. So I need to keep the pivot in center of object. So go to object mode, and go to modify and choose center pivot. So that means my pivot is transferred to top of the object. So hold V in keyboard and hold middle mouse button and drag it to snap the object to the vertex mode. So I will snap to this vertex, so exactly here. So see here. So I want to delete this face, so select these face and delete and go to object mode. So now we have two objects, see here, polypipe 1 and polyplane 1. So we need exact cut for this object. So go to object mode, select this polyplane. So go to edit mesh and choose interactive split tool option box and reduce the magnetic tolerance. So if you are using latest version, please choose multi-cut tool. So click over here, and then here, and then here, and press right click in keyboard. So then go over, click here and click here, right click. So click here and click here and right click. So go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move in X and move in Z. So you want to make sure like this, don't go so closer. So afterwards we snap to that object. So select this vertex and then over here. Okay, so and select the faces from here all over here and press delete in keyboard. So that means you skip out the face. So select this object, shift select this object, go to mesh and choose combine. So and go to edit mesh and choose merge vertex tool. So click here and click here. So it will automatically merge to that vertex. Don't go this way, so because this is the perfect round shape. So click here and click here. So click here and click here. So same thing, click here and click here. So click here and click here. See, it will happen like this. So we need to adjust. So select this vertex and move little bit so in Z. So and select this vertex and move little bit in Z like this. So go to edit mesh and choose merge vertex tool. So select this vertex and move over here, select this vertex and move over here. So that means you got the perfect shape of round. So I will move little bit this vertex and this vertex, sorry, I move little bit this vertex to 4 in Z little bit. So I will move little bit upwards. So that means you got the exact shape. So like this. So now we make the corner holes. So now we need to make hole in this side. So before that you need to maintain this corner sharpness. So go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop. So insert edge loop here and here. So go to edit mesh and choose interactive split tool. Click and drag to that edge, so to this edge, and right click. So click and drag to this edge, so and go over here, so here and then here, so and then right click. So click and drag to this edge, so click here and right click. So go to vertex mode, so move in X, so move in Z like this. So that means you got that shape perfectly, maintaining the quad. So you want to continue this up to here. So go to edit mesh and choose interactive split tool. So split over here, so to here and then here and then here, and then right click. So click here and right click. So see here, you need to adjust this vertex to maintain the rounded shape here. So I will move little bit like this. So that means you got this rounded shape here. So now see here, in this face we got 5 edges. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 edges, 1 2 3 4 and 5 edges. So you need to clear that one. So go to interactive split polygon tool. So click over here and click here and then click here and right click. So that means the edge will clear out. So you need to maintain hole here. So go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop tool. So you want to maintain hole here. So see here also we need to maintain multiple loops for this. See here, go to reference image. So you need to maintain this edges little bit sharpness. So I will insert edge loop here. So and then select this vertex. So you need to delete these face. So the side faces. Go to vertex mode, select this vertex and move upwards. So go to this vertex and move downwards little bit. So you need to keep this edges as far distance, because so the even space will maintain the perfect shape. So you need to maintain like that. So like this. So I will go to edit mesh and choose interactive split tool. So click here and right click, click here and click here and right click. So click here and click here, right click. So see, you need to maintain the loop mesh flow like this. So the mesh flow should be like this. So you need to transfer that flow to this side. So go to interactive split tool. So click over here and click over here and right click. So same thing in here, click over here and click over here and right click. Select this edge, shift select this edge. So select this edge, shift select this edge and right click and delete edge. So I'll adjust little bit like this. So now we got space for hole. So I select this face, shift select this face and shift select this face and press delete in keyboard. So now we got so one corner hole and center hole. So we need subdivisions over there. So here, so see here, we have 5 faces here. So go to edit mesh and choose interactive split tool. So clear like this and right clicks. So now we got 4 faces. Go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop tool. So over here, so see here, we need to maintain even distance over here. So that means our model will be smooth. So I add so some edge loops in betweens. So now we got exact shape of the locker. So go to object mode. So now go to mesh and choose mirror geometry option box. So I will mirror over in X plus, so it will automatically mirror it over. So sometimes the vertex will be merged like this. So go to poly mirror inputs and reduce the threshold 0.009 and press enter. See here, it will automatically clear out all the direction. So now we got the basic shape of the model. So now we need to so go to edge. So double click on this edge and shift double click on this edge. So go to edit mesh and choose extrude. So extrude in Z little bit. So we need to loop on opposite side. So go to object mode, press W in keyboard. So we make sure keep the pivot in this area, any of this bottom edges, because I need to transfer it over to another side. So go to Windows outliner. So you see what we do. So see here, I have some history. So select this object. So and go to edit, delete by type. So and choose history. So that means that groups are deleted out. So hold D in keyboard. So that means you move the pivot wherever you want, and hold V for vertex snap. So and hold middle mouse and drag it over to place the vertex wherever you want, sorry, pivot wherever you want. So I want to place the pivot in this area, so any of this vertex, so in bottom area. So now press Ctrl C. Here I have only one mesh, so and press Ctrl D in keyboard. So now I got poly surface 2. So select the poly surface 2. So you want to scale in Y. So I will choose -1 and press enter. So that means the model is transfer automatically in reverse direction. So select the both mesh and choose, go to mesh and choose combine. So now the object should be combined. So the vertex will not be merged. So check it out. So I will select the vertex here, single vertex. I will move. See here, it will not merge. I will just place it over here. So select all the vertex. So go to mesh and choose merge. So it will automatically merge the center vertex, closest vertex. So see here, it will automatically merge. So now I got that exact locker shape. So we need some edge loop to maintain the this edge sharpness. So go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop tool. So I want here, and then I want here. So same thing on bottom. So I want here. So sorry. So I want here. Sorry about that. So I want exactly, sorry about that. So sometimes it will happen like this. So I want exactly here and then here. So and here also. So I want exactly here, so here, so you want to also in bottom here, so and then here. So now you check it out. So go to object mode and press 3 in keyboard, so that means the edge will automatically smooth it out. See here, the corner edge will smooth like this. See here, press 3 in keyboard, see. So that means the vertex will not merge here. So I select this vertex and go to merge vertices. So same thing on opposite side, so select this vertex and merge this vertex like this. So I want to keep this edges sharpness, so go to edit mesh and choose insert edge loop tool. So you want to edge loop here, so you want to keep this edge also sharpness, so I want edge loop here, so that means it will maintain the sharpness. So go to object mode and press 3. So now we got exact model. So go to shading and disable the wireframe on shader. So see here, we got two corner holes and one main hole in that locker. So that's it. So check it out. So I will maintain 1 and 2. So same thing on bottom, 1 and 2 loops. So that means we finished perfectly as mentioned in this reference image. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you on part 5. So if you have any doubts and clarification, please contact on my email, the link in the description box. In next part we will saw about this powder cap. So this is little bit different, so because the both sides are swapped each other. So we will see on part 5. So thank you, please subscribe.